Hello, sir. How's your morning?
Very nice, Prachi. Very nice.
How is your feeling by attending such a great platform?
So, this is my second. I was here for the 9th edition. That's how I met Bhavesh, and I'm here for the 10th edition also. I think Bhavesh and Meenal are doing a fantastic job, and the ecosystem requires such kind of platform, and we require more such platforms.
Correct. Very true. A few quick questions for you.
Sure.
Okay. What is important? Timing or talent?
Timing or?
Talent.
So this is in perspective to what? Question is-
Entrepreneurship.
See, very important. Both are important. If you ask me, obviously talent is important. Without talent, entrepreneurship will not work. And timing is equally important. So, question itself, I will have to choose both together, because if the timing is correct and if you're not talented, I don't think it's going to work.
Correct.
And if you are talented and as an entrepreneur, if your timing is not good, I don't think it's going to work.
Okay. What's the tech trend which you feel scary about?
Scary about?
Yeah.
So scary, I mean, it's not really scary, but because I'm not into it, and not that many professionals and people who are working in jobs realize that their jobs are going to be replaced. It's the artificial intelligence. So AI, machine learning, big data it's actually there. We need to wake up. It's a wake-up call. Otherwise, all our jobs are going to go. More startups will require to create, their ventures around AI. And it's not just the future, it is the present. So I very, very clearly believe that AI, machine learning, we need to, be more adaptive to it than we are at present.
True. One soft skill which you want every entrepreneur to learn.
Communication. Very, very simple.
Communication.
It's a soft skill which you need, and it's not difficult. I'll tell you as you know that I host a podcast, I moderate events.
Correct.
I still remember the first time when I was moderating my first event, I got completely blanked out.
Oh.
But then that's when I took a challenge that if I need to be doing the kind of business I am into multiple sectors, it's very important that I improve my communication skills. And I think once your communication skills are better, your diction is better, I think what happens is the confidence level goes up. So especially for entrepreneurs when they're going to be pitching to investors for raising funds. Other than the idea which they have, other than the startup they build, it's very important that they have communication skills.
Very true. Okay. What is one advice you would like to give to the audience watching this video?
It's again going to be a very Ghisa-Pita thing. Be persistent, be consistent, believe in yourself, believe in your dream, believe in what you're doing. And very recently, Piyush Goyal, our minister, has said that we need to innovate. I think somewhere the startup ecosystem, we are becoming more like aggregators and rather than being innovators. India is a country which requires more innovation and innovate, and I'm sure you as a founder will benefit and the country will benefit.
True. A quick rapid fire round.
Sure.
CEO or founder?
Again, a very tricky question, but I'll go for founder.
Okay. All women team or diverse team?
This is again a very googly question. Diversity.
Okay. Laptop or phone?
Laptop.
Chat or a call person?
Chat.
Okay. LinkedIn or Instagram?
LinkedIn right now, as I am on LinkedIn.
Okay. Public speaking or one-to-one talks?
Good question. Good rapid fire question, but I think one-to-one.
Okay. Hire a skill or hire a attitude?
Again, the good question you're asking me, Prachi. But if I have to choose from here, the way things are right now, right, and the way we need multitaskers, I would want a person with attitude.
Wow, that's lovely. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Prachi. Wonderful chatting with you. Thank you. All the best.